This is the barn. Raider. Brody. Can't see him. Friday. Cardi. Hey, Cardi. Yes, I see your little nose. This is Huffy. Yes, I see you. This is Zona. Zona. Hey. There you are. This is Lacey. Lacey! This is Jen. Hi, Jen! Hi, Jen! This is one's Hoover. Hoover! There you are. Yes, I see you. There's all of the horses that we take care of. They're shavings. The tack room. This is the tack room. There's Bell. There's Joel. Here's all the saddles, bridles, door, radio, everything you need out here. Keep you occupied. Tack boxes. There's my tack box. My Rudy tack box. See, it has my name on it. If you can see that. Yes. There's my Joel. My Joel too.